Welcome to day 31 of our 100 Days Python Coding Challenge. In this tutorial, we'll write a Python function called sum of squares that takes two integers p and q and calculates the sum of the squares from p to q. This is a great exercise to practice your Python programming skills, especially in working with loops and arithmetic. Operations. Input. The first line of input will contain an integer p. The second line of input will contain an integer q. Output. The output should be a single line containing the sum of the squares from p to q. Sample. Input and output are also be given for your reference. Want to level up your Python skills? Join us on this journey of learning and coding together. Subscribe to our channel for daily Python tutorials, coding challenges for beginners, and more exciting content to help you become a proficient Python programmer. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video, so you never miss out on any Python programming goodness.